Welcome to the Art Project. Thank you for clicking on my video. I am about to do a review, of some new ink I got called Noodler's The Heart of Darkness, made by Noodlers. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. This is the Art Project. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe for me. Please leave a comment. I want to know what you think. Please hit the like button if you enjoy this video. So I got this new bottle of ink. It's called The Heart of Darkness. It's made by Noodlers. When I was looking for it, I did a review. I did some research, on all kinds of different types of ink, and this was supposed to be one of the darkest ones. Now, it wasn't the darkest. I wanted to get the darkest black that I could possibly get, but they were offering a free pen along with it. So I'm a sucker for a sale, and I love fountain pens. So I went ahead and got this one, and the fountain pen came right in the same box that the Noodler's ink came in. It was a big 4.5 ounce bottle of ink. It's so far it is great. You can't really see all the details in this picture as I'm drawing, but it doesn't bleed. Of course, that has a lot to do with the kind of paper you draw on too. This paper is multimedia paper, so it's not really bleeding into it at all. Um, but it is very black, and I don't know, it's just like the right consistency and everything. Um, I was super excited about getting it, and the pen works wonderful too. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be keeping this pen in my pocket um, for everyday carry, for everyday use. Anyway, so I'm drawing this picture of Gabrielle, and Gabrielle's a friend of mine on Facebook, and she sent me this picture and asked me to draw it. Honestly, it doesn't really look a whole lot like her, at least not a whole lot like the picture that she sent me. A little bit like her, but I'm just trying. I'm learning, and I've been drawing for a long, long time, but drawing faces are hard, and I, kind of shy away or have shied away from drawing faces in the past. So I'm not doing faces, or I haven't been doing faces a lot. So this one turned out pretty good, I think, all things considered. The last video that I did of Marcus, I think turned out a whole lot better. I think it looks a whole lot more like him. But I wasn't trying out a new pen either. I was using a basic technical pen by Staedtler, so it was a little bit easier just because of the kind of materials that I was using. But this one of Gabrielle turned out pretty good. Now, as soon as you put some shading under the nose and on the top lip, it automatically looks like a mustache. So in order to counteract that, you have to keep on shading, and you have to bring everything up to that same level, um, even running the risk of making it look like a mustache. And I like to make the values look like they look in the picture as much as possible. The value is the key to making it look like a three-dimensional object, or in this case, a three-dimensional face. You have to have the values just right. So I just like to keep doing the value. I mean, nothing on her face was completely white in real life. The whitest thing in the whole picture were some highlights on her glasses. And so, although I have to have some white paper showing through, I try to, just shade everything in as much as possible. So this picture is going to be kind of dark in the end. Maybe not too dark because she's got a beautiful smile. And then I darken in the background so that her face and her head and her hair and everything stand out more than the background does. The background being pure white just doesn't help the picture much. So even though in the picture her background is pretty bright, I'm shading in the entire background. So anyway, that is pretty much all there is to that. If you've got any questions or comments or suggestions or challenges for me, please, please, please leave me some comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks, Gabrielle, for sending me your picture. Appreciate giving me a chance. I hope that I didn't disappoint you. So anyway, there it is. thank y'all for watching. One last time, please hit subscribe. Please, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button for me. And if you want some Noodler's ink or anything like that, I'll probably leave a link to it down in the description below. So, thank y'all very much. We'll talk to y'all next time. Oh, and there are some links down there where you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other places like that.